A paradox of virtues. Iraq, the cradle of human civilization, is economically one of the poorest countries in the world after being one of the richest in natural resources. Invasions upon invasions have brought destitute upon death to the doorstep of every Iraqi. But what the invasions could not take away from Iraq is the generosity and hospitality of its people, their zest for dignity, and their love for life. Ironically, the nation that has been one of the main targets of the most violent form of terrorism ever known to the modern world is one that has been protesting against terror for the last 1400 years. Arbaeen marks the 40th day of the martyrdom of Imam Hussain al-Islam with a small army of 72 soldiers in the Battle of Karbala. The greatest aspect about this annual Arbaeen walk from Najaf to Karbala is that on the way each and every Iraqi becomes a host to the pilgrims. The pilgrims are passed on from one caring hand to the other as they cross milestone after milestone. They are offered food, water, baths, housing, even massages for the tired hands and feet. Inspired by this unique sense of hospitality, nations from all over the world have begun to establish their service camps for the wayfarers that walk the desert in search of the grave of the Prophet's grandson. India joined the great Iraqi hospitality this year by establishing its first mawqif between Najaf and Karbala at pole number 327 to fulfill the rites of the last will of Imam Hussain al-Salam. As each night enters into the day and each day is drawn out from the night, in Karwan-e-Hind, the faithful work tirelessly to serve the passing streams. Where work is literally worship, where there is no discrimination of race, religion, or color, where the hands that take are holier than the hands that give, where the givers beg you to take, where arrogance is abandoned, where serving is pride, where sweeping is honor, where compassion is the common language, where humility is a measure of richness, where the hearts of the orphans of Mosul fly like birds hungry for love and shelter, where the travelers feel at home, where the sky is the roof, where the earth is the bed, where walls do not prevent the neighbors from joining each other, where strangers wait for strangers at the dinner table, where service is selfless, where reward is not in demand, where mankind is set free. There the rivers of humanity have one ambition: to join the ocean. Indeed, it was an honor to be appreciated by the Iraqi government and Sayyid Ala Musavi, Minister of Waqf Board in Iraq, for the services rendered by the dedicated volunteers of Karwan-e-Hind.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh from the way of Karbala to Imam Hussein alayhi salam. May Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala give all mu'mineen and all the youth of mu'mineen the tawfiq to come here inshallah and to have this opportunity to walk to Imam Hussein and to serve in these places. Allah may bless all brothers here and sisters who are spending their nights and days for in serving all mu'mineen, serving Zuwar, and I am sure that all these mu'mineen will have a high daraja and Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, and will have more tawfiq in their life, in the dunya and the akhirat inshallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum jami'an wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
The success of our camp is not the end by any means. Our journey has just begun and we will strive to improve with each passing year so that we may be able to serve more and more pilgrims of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. This video is a tribute to Imam Hussain al-Islam and a token of appreciation for the members of Karwan-e-Hind who strived night and day to make this happen. Labbaik ya Hussain.
امام حسین علیہ السلام کی شان میں ایک بند سرکار میر انیس کا تن تنہا شہیدی لاکھ سواروں سے لڑے، بے سپر برچھیوں والوں کی قطاروں سے لڑے، صورت شیر خدا ظلم شیاروں سے لڑے، دو سے ایک لڑ نہیں سکتا یہ ہزاروں سے لڑے، گر ہو غالب تو ہزاروں پہ وہی غالب ہو جو دل و جان علی ابن ابی طالب ہو۔
کربلا کربلا ہے کربلا 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 ہے کربلا، جانے والے کربلا کے کربلا لے چل مجھے، 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 روضہ شبیر پر دوں گا دعا لے چل مجھے، جانے والے کربلا کے کربلا